We will study the conservation of mechanical energy. Second case, in case of pendulum. The energy never created not destroy. Energy is always conserved. एनर्जी हमेशा कंजर्व रहती है. ये आपकी है बॉब. At time t it reaches the height h, and after one acceleration it reaches the height here h. Here at the point a b c, b पॉइंट में आपकी h की हाइट क्या होगी 0, h बराबर 0. नाउ एट पॉइंट c, at point C, potential energy equal to mgh at height h, and kinetic energy equal to 1/2 mv square. The value of v at point C is 0. Value of v equal to 0. So kinetic energy is 0. So total energy at point C, total energy at point C equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy, that is mgh plus 0 equal to mgh. Now similarly, total energy at point A, total energy equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy, that is mgh plus 0 equal to mgh. Now at point B, the total energy is, at point B the value of h, the value of height equal to 0. So potential energy equal to mgh, that is mg into 0 equal to 0, and kinetic energy equal to 1/2 mv square. Or we know that kinetic energy equal to potential energy, that is mgh. So the value of 1/2 mgh equal to 1/2 mv square equal to mgh. So total energy at point B equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy, that potential energy 0 and kinetic energy is mgh. So total value of total energy at B equal to mgh. So at point A total energy is mgh, at point C total energy is mgh, at point A total energy is mgh, and at point B total energy is mgh. It means that energy is conserved, the loss of potential energy and gain of kinetic energy. Now at point B, find the value of velocity. तो at point B kinetic energy equal to 1/2 mv square equal to mgh. Now 1/2 mv square equal to mgh, that is mm cancel. So v square equal to 2gh, v equal to under root 2gh. This is the velocity, final velocity at point V, the value of v at point B, under root 2gh. Okay, thanks. Now like and subscribe for more informational videos. Thanks.